Okay, so this is another question. Uh, what is it saying? Which of the following option does not equal to this? Okay, so we have this matrix and we have to find, like, using the operations we need to calculate the values. Okay, like these values, and if we have to find that which is not satisfying this equation. So in equation 1, if we'll say, okay, wait, let me check here. What we are doing, we are subtracting uh, column column 3 minus column 1. Okay, so, and with column 2, what we are doing, column 2 plus column 1. Okay, so this is right. Like, we can see here, if we are using this column 2 plus column 1 will get this value only, and column 3 plus column 1 will get this value only. So question 2 is right, sorry, option 2 is satisfying the value. Coming to option number A. Okay, so this 111, this is 111, it's okay. X y z, x y z, and here it is x square plus 1. Okay, y square plus 1 and z square. So what we are doing here, uh, we are interchanging the row, sorry, column. We are interchanging the column from column 3 to column 2. Okay, and then in column 2, what we are doing, we are adding column 1, and in column 3, what we are doing, we are adding column 1. So this is, but we have studied the property here, so this is we are getting like from this. But according to property, if we change two column or two row of a determinant, the determinant will be negative of what we are getting. So this will be this, the value of this determinant will be negative of this determinant. So this will not satisfy, but we will check the other equations. So we have this option number 3. What option number 3 says, this is 0 0 1 x minus y minus z. Okay, so we are subtracting this row 2. Okay, row 2 minus row 1. So what we'll get here, if we'll subtract row 2 minus row 1, it will be 1 x square 0. Okay, wait, so we'll not subtract row 2 minus row 1. What we are getting here, y minus z, y minus z, so, and y square minus z square. So here in row 2, what we will get, row 2 minus row 3. So we'll, if subtract row 3 minus row 2 minus row 3, what will get, this will be the row 1 will be same, 1 x square 0 y minus z, y square minus z square. And another equation what we will use, like we are getting here row 1 minus row 2, row 1 minus row 2. So this will be 0 1 z square 0 x minus y and x square minus y square. So this is satisfying this equation, right? So we don't have any problem in this equation also. Coming to question option number 4, this is the, we have to compare this with this only. Okay, so we have 2 here, we have 1 here, x plus y, y plus z, y plus z. Okay, so in row 1 what we are doing, row 1 we are adding row 1 plus row 2, and in row 2 what we are doing, we are adding row 2 plus row 3. So what we will get if we are doing this operation, we'll get 2 2 1 x plus y here, row 1 plus row 2, x plus y and y plus z, and we are not doing any operations with this row 3, so this will remain z only. Then we have x square plus y square, x square plus y square, y square plus z square and z square. So this is also satisfying this equation. Okay, so option A is the right one, which is not satisfying. It will satisfy, but we are interchanging 2 rows and 2 column at the same time. Okay, so this will give negative value.